Fixing Faulty Parallelism, English Grammar Unraveled. Hello, English language learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to delve deep into a crucial aspect of English grammar: parallelism in conjunctions. Specifically, we will focus on identifying and correcting faulty parallelism. So, get ready to tune up your English grammar skills. Before we jump into correcting faulty parallelism, let's remind ourselves: what is parallelism? In English grammar, parallelism, or parallel structure, refers to the balance within one or more sentences of similar phrases or clauses that have the same grammatical structure. This balance makes your writing more cohesive and easier to read. For example, I like reading, writing, and playing soccer. Here, reading, writing, and playing soccer are parallel elements. Now that we understand what parallelism is, let's identify what makes it faulty. Faulty parallelism occurs when the items in a list or pair do not have the same form. For instance, she likes to jog, reading, and to swim is faulty because the verbs are not in the same form. To jog and to swim are infinitives, but reading is a gerund. How can we correct these errors? It's all about maintaining consistency. Let's correct our previous faulty sentence. We can either change all the verbs to infinitives. She likes to jog, to read, and to swim. Or we can change them all to gerunds. She likes jogging, reading, and swimming. As you see, all the verbs are now in the same form, and the sentence maintains parallel structure. It's time to practice what we've learned. Here are some sentences with faulty parallelism. Try to correct them. 1. He is good at football, to swim, and painting. 2. She enjoys to dance, watching movies, and to cook. 3. My friend loves playing the piano, to sing, and dancing. Take a moment to correct these sentences, then we'll discuss the solutions together. Let's go over the solutions. 1. Correct sentence: he is good at football, swimming, and painting. 2. Correct sentence: she enjoys dancing, watching movies, and cooking. 3. Correct sentence: my friend loves playing the piano, singing, and dancing. As you can see, all elements in each list now have the same form, making these sentences parallel. And there you have it. This brings us to the end of our session on correcting faulty parallelism. Remember, consistency is key when dealing with parallel structures. Keep practicing and soon, identifying and correcting faulty parallelism will become second nature. Thank you for joining us in today's English grammar journey. Keep exploring, keep learning, and remember, grammar is the backbone of language mastery. Until next time, happy learning!